Hello, welcome back to daily recap of 24th of September 2019, 2020. Fuck. Anyways, let's get started on this. We'll go over GJ, GC, and GA. So GA made an intraday high. It broke past a lower high and it made an intraday high. And essentially, we were looking for price continuation to at least this area after it made that high, right? Anyway, so there was a 1 hour FTR zone here, and it lined up with 133.500. So pre-London, first intraday made a high, made a lower high, meaning that we weren't ready to first push up from here, right? We weren't ready to push up from here when this lower high is made, and then price kept pushing down, and then 2 a.m. liquidity grab happened, like always, an hour before London open, and we'll go over that. So price came down and started stalling, right? You see how we went from making lower highs and lower lows to just kind of stalling. And so when we look at 1 minute, we knew we tapped our zone. So if we broke up, we were gonna it was gonna be buys, right? Because we have a buy range to fill. So bottomed out, 3 a.m. price pushed down, rejected, another high low in 1 minute, and we made a high. So now we broke out of this bearish market structure on 1 minute. We did a retest, created a higher low, more higher lows, higher highs, right? Higher lows. Then we finally reached 134.6, and this was around 90 pips, right? So super clean by the time, and that was our like key area right there. And then so this was at 6 a.m. We reached it. Price rejected. Price was super messy during New York, except this part rejected when price came down, 134.200, and then price pushed back up 40 pips, but then rejected. So what we can look for next is essentially we need to break 134.6 to go higher to 135.2, which is our next level right here. And then if that breaks, then we can go up to 135.5. But you see the bullish structure that's being printed, like higher lows, right? So that's why we knew that this range was going to get filled, because once a higher low is made, what do we have to come back to the previous high and then potentially break the new high to create a new high, and then we'd have to retest like that. Okay. That's GJ, 90 pips on GJ. GBP CAD also, so after it rejected this area here, it came back up in this range, and price, GBP CAD did this last week too, created a higher low on 1 hour, and then it created another higher low in minor time frame, but there was still this range to fill. And once we filled this area, we knew price was going to go up to this area right here, these two, right? So this is 2 a.m. 2 a.m. price comes down to this support, and then we start rejecting it. First, we come up here, which was 30 pips. As soon as we break it, the next 15-minute candle retest, and it heads up straight up here. Okay, so in lower time frame, that looks something like price rejecting here, perfect. Retest, right? Break up, another high low, retesting this area right here, and then we pushed up by 6 a.m. up to here. So on GBP CAD, that's entries since we kept rejecting this 30-minute area. So let's say you got entries right here. First, you would have gone like 40 pips, but you could have eventually like up till here, hold till here. That we were planning 70 pips, 70, 90, 160 pips on the buy moves. Yo, I don't even want to look at GBP. This is GBP AUD. Essentially, we said that if it broke up, we were gonna start going up. Probably once price broke 1.7800, we're gonna go up to this level first, and then possibly next. This was the break of 1.7800, and look at it, exactly on the dot. It retested, and then move up. Exactly on the dot, it retested. So price pushed up, and then yesterday during the day we broke this as well. Kept pushing, and then we came back to our next key level, which was from right here. Right here we came up to it, or was it this one? I can't remember. No, 1 second. What is this? Just gonna draw that for now as an indication. Yeah. So as soon as price pushed up here, we knew it was gonna push to the next level, and then we're gonna see how price reacts to the other one. So during 2 a.m. price, like we broke it initially, right? So we broke it, and then price went down a bit, but it still was closing above. And then you see high, low, and then we'll go into the 1 minute, then move up to the next level. So here, close above, create a higher low. So we're still creating higher lows, right? And higher highs. And then eventually we got up to our next level. And then once we broke this level, created a high, came back down, retested, moved up to the next level before we rejected that. So see level to level play, clean, and this was, by the time it was, so let's say 2 a.m. you entered, like 2:30 to 6 a.m., 5 a.m., 2.5 hours, 50 pips. That's 210 pips. And then if you held it, New York volume pushed it up even further to the next level. So this was a New York continuation move. Price just had to break a level. That's what we were hoping on GJ, that this would happen. So London pushed up, and then New York grabbed liquidity, broke the level, grabbed liquidity, and then continued up. I thought that was going to happen here. So London pushes up, New York was going to grab liquidity above the zone and then push up to the next level, but it didn't. But we can still expect that for, like, let's say tomorrow, Friday. It is Friday, so be careful a bit. But I can expect that because we're making higher lows, right? But yeah, that's it for today's daily recap. Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed it. 210 pips across 3 GBP pairs that could have been taken advantage of, all bullish moves. I don't take sells when, like, this shit's happening, because 4 hour, first of all, created a higher low. So there's no reason to be taking sells at the previous high, right? And you see, like, there's possibly a shift in, like, structure right now. So that shift in structure, we're gonna have to watch and monitor, because once we break this, we're going up a bit. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for 200 subscribers. Appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for watching. It means a lot. I've been only doing this for not too long, and I kind of do it for my own self, but apparently it's been helping a lot of people. So thank you. Enjoy your day, and more blessings to all of you.